Ssc Cgl Tier 1, paper number 33. Now in this one, question number 1. Now in the first one, it is based on letter series. Then what is the difference between the first two letters? First letter in C and F, difference is plus 3. F and J, 6 and 10, difference is plus 4. J and O, 10 and 15, difference is plus 5. 3, 4, 5. And the next difference must be 6. Now 15 plus 6 is 21. 21st letter is U. Hence U is the first letter. Isn't it? Hence choice 1 and choice 4 were ruled out. Now we were left with 2 and 3. Now between 2 and 3, now the third letter is common. No need to check out the third letter. Then we need to check out the letter which is different. Now G and D. Now difference enta cheppandi? 7 and 4 minus 3. And 4 and 1 minus 3. The value of A is 27 in the second cycle. 27 and 24 minus 3. And 24 minus 3, 21. 21st letter is U. U and U, that is given in choice to question number 1. Clear? First letters plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And second letters minus 3 minus 3 minus 3. Then coming to question number 2. It is based on blood relations. Now in this blood relations, A is the mother of B is represented by A has B and so on. Then, which of the following indicates the relation C is the daughter of B and C is the daughter of B means, now first if you check out the first one, C at the rate of. At the rate of stands for female. Now C is the sister of whom? C is the sister of H. And H dollar means, and H is the son of P. And H is the son of P. Now the C and H are the children of this P. P percentage means P is the husband of B. P a male is husband of B. B a female. Then, what is your answer here? And C is the daughter of B. Are you getting the answer or not? C is the daughter of B. Hence choice 1, question number 2. Then coming to question number 3. My third one chesara. F and O, the difference is so much plus 6. Here తీసుకుంటే M and Z, the difference is 13. And here O and D, the difference is so much. Now the difference is not constant. The what is the value of F? 6. And L is 12. 6 and 12 into 2 raskocha. Now M is 13, 13 into 2, 26. And here O is 15. 15 into 2 is so much 30. 30th letter, 30 minus 26. Fourth letter is D. And next one, S and L. Now 19 into 2, 38. Now 38 minus 26. What is the difference we have? 12. Now 12th letter is L. Into 2, into 2, into 2 and so on. Then second and the third letters L and O, the difference is plus 3. And Z and C, the difference is plus 3. And D and G, the difference is plus 3. L and R, 12 and 18, the difference is plus 6. And so what is the odd one? Choice 4 is the odd one. Into 2 plus 3, into 2 plus 3 is the pattern here. Done with this? Then coming to question number 4. Now there are some 6 girls seated in a circle facing towards the center. How many girls were there? These 6 are seated around the circular table and facing towards the center. And P is sitting to the immediate left of K is here, P is here. And A is an immediate neighbor of both P and V. A is an immediate neighbor of both P and V. M is an immediate neighbor of both K and N. M is an immediate neighbor of both K as well as N. Then, who is sitting to the immediate left of V? My V ki immediate left aruna chapani K. K, that is choice to question number 4. Now, then who is? Now who is to the immediate left of V? Immediate left of V. And what is your answer here? K is the immediate left of V. Yes. Now K is already done. And M is an immediate neighbor of both K and N. M is an immediate neighbor of both K and N means N will be here. Now who is to the immediate left of V? That is N, choice 3, question number 4. Then fifth one. Now fifth chestunara. 23 and 36, the difference. Now what is the difference between these two? Now in general we need to go for product or combination. In the Japan 2300, 1300, 1500, 1600, 1800. Then 23 and 36 into 75 Japan 36 into 2 plus 3. And here 75 into 4 minus 30. Is there any specific pattern here? No specific pattern. Hence product and difference is ruled out. Then we need to go for what? Difference. 23, 36, 75, 270. Then what should be the next one? What is the next one we have? And here 23 and 36 difference is how much? 13. 36 and 75 the difference is 39. And 75 and 270 the difference is how much? 195. And then 195, then 13 into 3 is 39, isn't it? Now 39 into 5 is 195, into 3 into 5, next tenth into 7. Now 195 into 7, and they're all Japani 1365. Now 1365 when added to 270, what is the number we have? And 1635. Now 1635 choice. Saripotunda? Now the difference of numbers 13, 39, 195 and 1365. 13 into 3, 39 into 5 into 7. Question number 5. Then coming to this one, sixth one. Now all these elements should be arranged in a logical and a meaningful order. Now first tell me what will be laid? Foundation will be laid. Isn't it? Foundation. Hence choice 1 is ruled out. Next to foundation, next time Japani. Now walls will be built. Isn't it? Hence 4 into. And 4 into this is gone. And next one, and walls south next time Japani, roof will be laid. And 4 to 5, choice 3 is the answer, question number 6. Then next one, seventh one. Now you select the correct combination of mathematical signs that can sequentially replace the star or signs and make the given equation correct. Now, in these type of questions, first we need to replace the symbols as it is from left to right through the choices. Now this is into, next one this is division, and next this is plus, minus and equals to. Now if you work out this one, 12 divided by 4 is how much? 3. 18 into 3, 54. Plus 5, 59. Minus 6, 53. And so what is your answer? Choice 1. Then eighth one, 89, 90, 82. 89 and 90 difference is how much? Plus 1. 90 and 82 the difference is minus 8. 82 and 109 difference is how much? Plus 27. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube and minus 4 cube. Saripena? And next one plus 5 cube. And 125, 12 plus 4, 170. Choice 3, question number 8. Then ninth one. Amma ninth chesaru evarena? Ninth one. 7 and 85. Now how will you get 85? 7. Now this 85 can be written as 7 square is how much? 49. 7 square 49. Isn't it? Now 49. What are the digits in 49? 4 and 9. And what is the product of this one? 4 into 9 is 36. That means this 85 can be written as 7. 7 square plus NGL. Product of the digits in 7 to 49. And 7 square is 49. Now 4 into 9, 36. 49 plus 36, 85. Saripinda? Now 8 tho chuddam. 8. 8 square and 64. 8 square is 64. The product of digits 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is how much? 24. And 64 plus 24. What is the number we have? 88. Mas saripinda leda? 64 plus 24. And similarly 4 Japan number 4 plus, and there is L. Now 4 square. What is 4 square? 16. Now 16, 1 into 6 is how much? 6. Now 16 plus 6. Now 16 plus 6 is how much? 22. And so what is your answer? Choice 3 is the answer. N square, and the product of this n square is added to this n. Saripena? Question number 9, it is choice 3. Now next 10th one Japan. Now in this question number 10, which two numbers should be interchanged to make the given equation correct? Now 12 and 3. Now again we need to go through the choices. Now this would be 12 and this is 3. Then 64 minus 24 divided by 12. And antara Japan is 2. Plus 32 into 3. 32 into 3 is how much? 96. And 96 plus 62. 96 plus 62, 158. Choice 1 is the answer, question number 10. Then, next one, 11th one. Now it is based on letter sequence. Now tell me how many elements are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 24, 25. Now if you observe here, now GRTX. I mean, ikkada undi kada GRTX. and again, and GRTX, GRTXS, GRTXS, GRTXS. Done with this? Then if you have started with this and GRTXS R all together, if you have started with R, RTXSG, 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 and RTXSG, RTXSG, and again RTXSG. How many elements are there? 25. 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Hence we have divided this sequence into 5 groups, each group consisting of 5 letters. Hence which term is repeated? RTXSG is the term repeated. Then what are the missing letters? TSX, RSG. TSX, RSG, TSX, RSG, choice 2. Clear? The next one, question number 12. Now in this 12th one, it is based on blood relations. And then which are the following is true? A hash. Hash stands for A is the wife of B, isn't it? Hence A is the wife of B, A is a female and B is a male. And B at the rate of. At the rate of means brother. B is the brother of C. Now this B is the brother of C. And C percentage means C is the father of D. Now this C is the father of D and D minus C. Minus stands for, no, A is the sister, D is the sister of B. D is the sister of whom? D is the sister of E. Now the question is about, then which of the following is true? D is the daughter-in-law of B. Chapacha, B is brother's daughter. That means sibling's daughter is niece. Hence one is false. Second, A is the father-in-law of D. Now D is, A is the father-in-law of D ostunda? No. Next one, A is the father-in-law, that is false. B is the uncle of E. E's brother is C, E's father is C, father's brother is uncle, choice 3, question number 12. Then next 13th one, it is based on letter analogies. Now in this letter analogies, always write one below the other. GIKM, JNRV, JNRV. And in the same way, IKMO, then what should be the next one? Now G and J, tell me what is the difference we have? Plus 3. I and N, 9 and 14 plus 5. 11 and 18 plus 7. And now 13 and 22 plus 9. 3, 5, 7, 9 is the difference. Now here again, plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Now I plus 3L and 11 plus 5, 16. 13 plus 7, 20. And 15 plus 9, 24. And LPTX. And it is choice 3, question number 13. Difference between the letters is 3, 5, 7, 9. 13th one. Then 14th one. Now in this question number 14, all these trains are what? All trains are cars. Now these are the trains that are cars. All trains are cars. And no ship is a car. No intersection between ship and a car. And no car is a bus. And no ship is a car and no car is a bus. Now no intersection between these two. First one. No bus is train. True or false? Bus is here, train is here, that is definitely true. And no ship is bus. No ship is bus, that is also true. And some cars are trains. Car is here, some cars are trains is also true. Now out of this, all trains are cars. No ship is what? No ship is a car. And no car is a bus. No bus is train. True in the no bus is train. Bus ikkada undi, train ikkada undi. No ship is bus. Ship ikkada, bus ikkada true. And some cars are trains is also true. Isn't it? Some cars are trains. Then among these three, first two are what? Negative conclusions. Negative conclusion true అయితే ఏం చేయాలి? Alternate diagram to make this one false at least once. No bus is train false or అంటే some buses are trains అని చెప్పాలి. Now bus and train. Is it possible to write bus like this? మీరు రాయచ్చా? ఇలా రాస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? No car is bus will become false. Statement invalid. Alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever. Then coming to the second one. No ship is bus. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అంటే సమ్ షిప్ ఆర్ బస్సెస్ రాసుకోవచ్చు కదా, షిప్ అండ్ బస్. ఇలా కలిస్తే ఏమైపోయింది? సమ్ షిప్ ఆర్ బస్సెస్ ట్రూ అయింది కాబట్టి నో షిప్ ఈజ్ అ బస్ ఫాల్స్ అయిపోయింది. హెన్స్ ఫైనల్లీ 1 and 3. Third one, affirmative conclusion and it is true forever. Hence only 1 and 3. Choice 2, question number 14. Then 15th one, now in a certain calling, chef is quoted as glass and so on. Then who cooks the food? The person who cooks the food is chef. And chef, and what is the code for the chef? Glass. Glass, that is choice 1, 15. Then 16th one, 48Q. Now Q stands for 48. Now Q means addition. 48 plus 39. 48 plus 39. Yes. S stands for division. 39 divided by how much? Divided by 3. And next one P. P is subtraction. Minus 7 and R. R stands for multiplication into 5. Now find the final arrangement. Now 39 divided by 3. When 39 divided by 3, that is 13. Now 48 plus 13 and 61 minus 35. Isn't it? Then what is your answer here? And 48 plus 61 minus this one, 11 minus 5, 6. Last digit must be 6. Choice 1, 26. Saripinda? Choice 1, question number 16. Then coming to the 17th one. Amma 17 chesara? Now how many boxes were there? There are some 6 bags. P, Q, R, S, T and U. And R is twice as heavy as S, T. R is as heavy as T, isn't it? Twice as heavy as T. Now P, Q, R, S, T, if you take like this, P, Q, R, S and T. Then S, T and U. R is twice as heavy as T. Now if T is X, R must be how much? R must be 2X. And they get them? R X అయితే now T X అయితే R must be 2X. R is twice as heavy as T. And S is 1.5 times that is P. S is 1.5 times that is P. Now P is Y. Now P ni మనం Y తీసుకుంటే S ఎంత అవ్వాలి? And 1.5 times. That means this must be 1.5Y. అంతే కదా? 1.5. And S is 1.5 times as heavy as P. Q is half as heavy as S. And S 1.75 ఇది ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 1.5 divided by 2, that is 0.75Y. Now this is Q. And next one, Q is half as heavy as S. And next, P and S together are lesser than R. P and S. S and U together are twice as heavy as P. S and U. Sum of these two is twice as heavy as P. Now P is how much? P is Y. S and U must be equal to how much? 2Y. S is 1.5. This must be 0.5. Mente kada information manaki. Now we need to find the relation between X and Y. X ki Y ki manaki relation kavali. X and Y, if you have the relation, then ikkada ichchadu. Q is half heavy as S, and at the same time R is twice as heavy as T. S is 1.5 times. Q is P and S together less heavier than R. Now P plus S is lesser than R. What is R? R is 2X. And P plus S must be. And then P plus S 2.5. Y is lesser than 2X. And hence X is greater than Y. Clear? As X is greater than Y, then let us take the values here. Ma వీటిలో అన్నిటికన్నా తక్కువ ఏది ఉంది? తక్కువ 0.5Y ఉంది. అవునా కదా? Y is lesser than X. Now I am taking this 0.5. Each of this one I am multiplying with 4. 4 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే దీని వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2 కదా? 0.5 into 4 ఎంత? 2. And next one 0.75 into 4 ఎంత? 3. సరిపోయిందా? And next one 1.5 into 4 ఎంత? This is 6. And ఇది ఎంత? Y ఎంత వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Y will be 4. Each of these we have multiplied with how much? Multiplied with 4. అంటే మనకి రౌండ్ ఫిగర్లోకి మార్చుకున్నాం. Then R is greater than both P and S. మా P plus ఎంత? S ఎంత వచ్చింది? 10. R is more than this one. కనుక ఎంత ఉండాలి? 12. ఇది 12 వస్తే ఇది ఎంత? This would be 6. Done with this? Then if these bags are arranged in descending order according to their weight, which bag will be the second from the bottom? Second, first from the bottom is U and second from the bottom is Q. And Q is the answer, that is choice 4. 17. మా సరిపోతుందా? 17, that is choice 4. మా మీకు ఇదే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చిందా? వేరే ఆన్సర్ అయినా వచ్చిందా? సేమ్ ఆన్సర్ యూ గాట్? దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్. మా 18th వన్ చేశారా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 18. మా రెగ్యులర్గా ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ వదిలేస్తున్నారు అనుకుంటా మీరు. Then 36 and 28. Now 36 and 28 and 96. మా 96 36 plus 28 ఎంత? 36 plus 28 and it's 50, 64. Now 64 నుంచి 96 ఎలా వస్తుంది? Plus 32. Plus 32 is nothing but 1.5 of this one. And sum of these two plus 1.5. 64 into 1.5, 96. 40 plus 62 ఎంత 102. 102 plus and half of this 102 ఎంత చెప్పండి 51. 102 plus 51 153 సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And again sum of these two and half of this one should be added. 66 plus 58 ఎంత చెప్పండి 124. 124 plus 124 divided by 2 ఎంత 62. 124 plus 62, 12 plus 6 18, 86, 186 choice 2. 18th one it is choice 2. Clear? Or each of these is multiplied with 1.5 and then added. అలా చేసుకున్న వస్తుంది. 36 into 1.5 ఎంత 36 into 1.5 54. 28 into 1.4 ఇది ఎంత వస్తుంది 42. And 54 plus 42 96 and so on. And this is about question number 18. The next one, 19th one. Now 19th one, again it is based on blood relations here. P is the father of Q and so on. How is D related to F? C plus N. Plus and C is the father of D. Now this C is the father of D, C is the father of D. D into D is the brother of E. This D is the brother of E. And again E minus. E minus means E is the sister of G. Now this E is the sister of G and G divided by. Now G divided by means G is the daughter of F. Now the G is the daughter of whom? G is the daughter of F. Is the information? G is the daughter of F means C and F must be married to each other. And then how is D related to F? How is D related to F? D is the son of F. Son that is given in choice 1, question number 19. 19th one, choice 1. Then 20th. Now in this 20, Sahul travels 10 kilometers towards north. Now this is A. From here, this Sahul travels how many kilometers? 10 kilometers towards north. Then turns left and walks for 4 kilometers. And then turns right and covers 5 kilometers. Isn't it? And again turns right and travels for another 4 kilometers. And how far is he from the start? A is the starting point, B is the final. Now 10 plus 5. How much is that? 15. Now 15, that is choice 3, question number 20. The next one, 21st. Now 21st చేశారు and select the figure that will replace the question mark. That means it is based on series. Series లోనే కదా ఉంది. Non-verbal series here. Then coming back to this. Now this element, I am talking about this element. ఈ కార్నర్లో ఉన్న ఎలిమెంట్ చూడండి ఎక్కడికి వస్తుంది? Coming to this place. That means this is shifted by one side in the anti-clockwise direction. అంతే కదా? Now please do not work out the remaining. ఇది ఒక్కడే చూడండి. Now this banana type of element or this crescent moon. ఈ crescent moon చూడండి ఇది ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది? ఎక్కడి నుంచి కార్నర్కి వచ్చింది. అంతే కదా? And whatever the element which is there at this corner is shifting to this corner. అంతే కదా? And ఈ కార్నర్లో ఉన్నది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిందో లేదో? మరి ఈ కార్నర్లో వచ్చింది ఈ కార్నర్కి వచ్చిందో లేదో? And ఈ కార్నర్లో వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడ రావాలి? ఇక్కడ రావాలి. Hence pentagon must be at this place. Among the given choices, pentagon at this place is given in 1 and 2. 3 and 4 are straight away ruled out. మరి సరిపోయిందో లేదో? Now 3 and 4లో pentagon is not at this corner. Hence we have left with only 1 and 2. Now 1 and 2లో which element is different అమ్మ చెప్పండి? Then compare these two choices. Now if you are comparing, ఈ element రెండిట్లో సేమ్ ఉంది. No need to check out this. Then now the center element is different. అంతే కదా? Now we need to check out. ఏ ఎలిమెంట్ సెంటర్కి వస్తుంది? ఎలిమెంట్ విచ్ ఈజ్ అట్ దిస్ కార్నర్ ఈజ్ గోయింగ్ టు దిస్ సెంటర్. ఈ కార్నర్లో ఉన్నది సెంటర్కి వచ్చింది. ఈ కార్నర్లో ఉన్నది సెంటర్కి వచ్చింది. ఈ కార్నర్లో ఉన్నది సెంటర్కి రావాలి. అంటే సెంటర్కి ఏం రావాలి? టిక్ మార్క్. టిక్ మార్క్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ చాయిస్ 1, 2 ఈజ్ రూల్డ్ అవుట్. దెన్ మా ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ చూడాల్సిన పని లేదు మనకి సిరీస్లో. ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ చెక్ చేసి మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద కేసెస్ ఇలా అవుతుంది. అన్ని కేసెస్ ఇలా అవుతుంది అని చెప్పలేం. దెన్ పొజిషన్ బేస్డ్. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు 22. మా 22nd, human beings, men and doctor. Men as well as doctor. Both these two are what? Human beings. And again some men are doctors or there are not. Hence these are doctors and some of the men are doctors. Both men as well as doctor are a part of this human being. Hence what is your answer? Choice 2, question number 22. Then 23 చెప్తారమ్మా. Now in this 23, now select the option that is not embedded. Not embedded into this one. Now first we need to identify which is embedded. Now whether the first figure is embedded or not. Mila raskochu kada this one, and again now this is the figure we are talking about. Hence first one is embedded. Then coming to the second. Now in the second one, amma second ekkada vastundi? Now second one, Now only one triangle, the triangle must be attached to this main line. ఇక్కడ మనకి అటాచ్మెంట్ ఉందా మెయిన్ లైన్కి? లేదు. హెన్స్ 2 cannot be embedded into this. 23 it is choice 2. Then 24, then now triangle stands for what? Sports person. Circle hostel and triangle sports person and circle hostlers. And what is the next category we have? And Venn diagram students. And rectangle stands for what? Students. Then how many students? Now here he is talking about the students means this region where both the hostels and as well as sports person. That means the region which is common for circle, triangle as well as this rectangle. What is the element that is common? 10. And so 10 is the answer, choice 1, question number 24. And finally 25. But 25, now the figure is folded and that been cut into different shape. And after a paper is folded and cut, and how will it appear when unfolded? Now manaki unfold cheyali. Now the same paper, ee paper manaki cut aithe ela vastundi cheppandi? Now this paper will be like this. This paper will be like this. అవునా కదా? ఇది ఇటు పక్క ఫోల్డ్ అయింది కదా, ఫోల్డ్ అయిన తర్వాత కట్ అయింది. ఇది ఇటు పక్క ఫోల్డ్ అయితే ఎలా వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? దిస్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్. దెన్ నో ఆఫ్టర్ ఫోల్డింగ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ కట్ అయింది, ఇది మళ్ళీ రీఓపెన్ చేసాం. ఇక్కడ రీఓపెన్ చేస్తే ఈ స్టార్ ఇక్కడికి ఏమైపోయింది? ఇక్కడికి రావాలా స్టార్? అవునా కదా? ఈ స్టార్ ఏమైనా ఎఫెక్ట్ అవుతుందా? ఇది మనకి ఇంతవరకే వచ్చింది. ఈ కటింగ్ ఇక్కడ చేసాం కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఇన్ టు దిస్ ఫోల్డెడ్ ఫిగర్. ఫోల్డెడ్ రీజియన్లోకి వచ్చిందా? రాలేదు. కానీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి మనకి ఎన్ని స్టార్స్ ఉన్నాయి? 1, 2 and 3. అంతేనా? 1, 2 and 3, ఆల్ దీస్ 3 ఆన్ ద టాప్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి ఏమైపోయింది? నౌ దట్ ఫిగర్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ డబుల్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి డబుల్ అయింది. డబుల్ అయితే 3 ఏమైపోవాలి? 6 అయిపోవాలి. అండ్ 6 అయిపోయింది మనకి ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? మరి 6 ఎలా రావాలి? దీస్ 2 అండ్ విల్ బి రీప్లేస్డ్ లైక్ దిస్ ఇంటూ అండ్ ఇంటూ. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇక్కడ మనకి ఒకటి వచ్చింది, దానికి అడ్జస్టెంట్గా ఇంకోటి రావాలి. హెన్స్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ హియర్? చాయిస్ 3 ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్. అసలు మనకి అవసరమే లేదు. టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎన్ని రావాలి? 6 రావాలి. 6 ఎందులో ఉంది? ఓన్లీ ఇన్ చాయిస్ 3. మా ఫాలో అయ్యారే లేదా? మనం ప్రతిసారి డబుల్ చేస్తారు. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8 అనుకోవాలి. కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? ఈ ఫోల్డర్ రీజన్లోనే ఎఫెక్ట్ అయింది. ఇదైతే ఎఫెక్టే అవ్వలేదు మనకి. కనుక ఇది మనకు ఓపెన్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఇది యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈజ్గా ఉండిపోతుంది. ఈ ఫిగర్కి వచ్చే టైంకి ఇక్కడేమో ప్లస్ ఉంది, ఈ రెండు ప్లేసెస్లో ఇంటూ ఉంటుంది. ఇది మనకి హాఫ్ ఇది అయింది. హాఫ్ ఓపెన్ అయితే ఏమైపోయింది? దీనికి 3 into 2 విల్ బి 6. అండ్ టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ విల్ బి 6 ఇన్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 25. Then now this is about paper number 33, Ssc Cgl. And next is quant. Any doubts in this one? Ma 1 to 25 ఇంకేనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? Then మా 17th one మనం ఎలా చేసాం చెప్పండి? Now we have taken the minimum element. మినిమం ఎలిమెంట్స్ మనకి ఎలా వచ్చింది? PQRST అని రాసేసాం. PQR, ST and U. ST and U రాసుకుంటే there are 2 different elements. ఏ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఇచ్చాడు చెప్పండి మనకి? అండ్ R is twice as heavy as T అన్నాడు. మా T వాల్యూ ఎంత? TX అయితే R ఎంత? 2X. ఇంతవరకు క్లియర్ కదా? నా టీకి ఆర్కి పీకి క్యూకి మనకి రిలేషన్ ఎక్కడ ఇవ్వలేం కనుక దీన్ని సెపరేట్గా పెట్టాం. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ అండ్ ఎస్ ఈస్ 1.5 times యాజ్ పి అన్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు పి వాల్యూ నేను ఏదో వై పెట్టుకున్నాను, వై ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. ఎస్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? 1.5. బికాజ్ ఎస్ ఈస్ 1.5 times దట్ యాజ్ వై అన్నాడు. ఇవన్నీ వై కాంపోనెంట్స్. 2 ఎక్స్లు ఉన్నాయి, 4 వైలు ఉన్నాయి. ఎస్ ఈస్ 1.5 times యాజ్ హెవీ యాజ్ పి. And next one, P and S together are lesser than R. P and S together, P plus S is lesser than R అన్నాడు. P plus S is lesser than R. S and U together are twice as heavy as P. S and U రెండు కలిపితే P కి ఈక్వల్ అన్నాడు. Twice that of P. P value Y. Twice of P 2Y. S plus U must be equals to 2Y. ఇది క్లియరా? ఎక్కడేమనుకుంది? S plus U equals to 2Y. S వాల్యూ ఎంత? 1.5. కనుక యూ ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 0.5y. ఈ రెండు కలిపి ఎంతగా అవ్వాలి? 2yకి ఈక్వల్ అయింది. ఎస్ ప్లస్ వై ఈక్వల్స్ టు ట్వైస్ దట్ ఆఫ్ వై, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? ట్వైస్ యాజ్ హెవీ యాజ్ పి. అండ్ క్యూ ఈజ్ హాఫ్ యాజ్ హెవీ యాజ్ ఎస్. Q half. 1.5లో హాఫ్ అంటే ఎంత? 0.75y. డన్. ఎలిమెంట్స్ అయితే క్లియర్. ఎక్స్ 2 ఎక్స్లు ఉన్నాయి, 4 వైలు ఉన్నాయి. అండ్ అమాంగ్ దిస్ ఆర్ ఈస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ బోత్ పి అండ్ ఎస్ అన్నాడు. అండ్ పి ప్లస్ ఎస్ ఎంత? వై ప్లస్ 1.5, దట్ ఈస్ 2.5y. దిస్ 2.5y ఈజ్ లెస్సర్ దెన్ ఆర్. ఆర్ ఎంత? 2x. 2x ఏమో 2.5 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉంది కనుక ఇది ఏమవ్వాలి? ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ మోర్ దాన్ దిస్ వై. దెన్ ఇప్పుడు మనకి దేంట్లోకి మార్చుకున్నాం? 0.5తో మార్చాం. ఇది లోయెస్ట్ ఉంది కదా. ఈ 0.5 మనం 1 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంటూ 2 చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడేమో 1.5 ఇలా వస్తాయి, డెసిమల్లో వస్తాయి. డెసిమల్ రాకుండా రౌండ్ ఫిగర్ రావాలనుకుంటే 0.5 అయిపోవాలి ఇంటూ 4. కనుక మినిమం మల్టిప్లికేటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వాట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ టేకెన్ ఈజ్ ఇంటూ 4 ఫర్ వై. వై ఈజ్ ఇంటూ 4. ఇంటూ 4 చేస్తే 0.5 ఇంటూ 4 ఎంత? 2 అవునా కదా. అండ్ 1.5 ఇంటూ 4 ఎంత అయిపోయింది? 6. 7.5 ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చింది. వై ఎంత అయింది? వై ఈజ్ 4. మరి సరిపోయిందా లేదా? 4, 3, 6 and 2, దట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ వై. ఇప్పుడు ఆర్ ఈజ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ బోత్ పి ప్లస్ ఎస్. పి వాల్యూ ఎంత? 4, ఎస్ ఎంత? 6. ఆర్ అనేది పి ప్లస్ ఎస్ కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి అండ్ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ ఉండాలి, అవునా కదా. కనుక ఎంత అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? ఆర్ ఈజ్ 12. ఇది 2x. ఇది 12 అయితే ఎక్స్ ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 6 అయింది. Done with this? Then, and which value will be second from the bottom? Second from the bottom, yes, ఇది కూడా అవసరం లేదు మనకి. R is P plus. And 2కి 3కి second from the bottom. Second is the lowest and 0.75 is the second lowest. సరిపోయిందా? 17th one. మనం చెప్పండి ఇంకా. క్లియర్?